Got a minute? Let's make this. It's as pretty as it is delicious. Banana pudding with a springtime twist. Here's what you'll need. Chessman Cookies from Pepperidge Farms. They make a spring version. Ripe bananas, milk, and a pudding of your choice like vanilla or my favorite white chocolate, cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk, and a container of Cool Whip. Line a cake pan with 1 package of cookies. Combine pudding and milk and mix until thickened. In another bowl, add the cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk. Mix that until smooth and creamy. Fold the Cool Whip into the cream cheese mixture and then add that to the pudding. Now slice 6 to 8 bananas and lay them on top of the cookies. Then spoon the pudding mixture over the bananas. Finally, top the pudding with the second package of cookies. By the way, you can do this with a tart pan for easy lift out. Refrigerate for a few hours for the cookies to soften, then serve it up. You can even top with whipped cream and sliced bananas. Springtime never tasted so good. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.